How to record a voice memo with the voice memo application or the website here on your PC or on your mobile phone. For this, as you can see, this is the main website and the home page here, and you can see a lot of options, but you have to click on get started from this menu, and then as you can see that you can create these things from a painless way to create meaningful notes, create at speed, and many more. Now, how to record a voice memo? Open the voice memo application. It may be inside a folder called utilities. If you cannot find, ask Siri to open it. Next, tap on the red record button. It will immediately start recording your voice, and then when you're done recording, simply tap on red stop button. Want to pause the recording and resume? Touch the small tab or top line and drag it up. Tap the red pause button and hit the resume when you wish to start recording again, and then tap on done to save finally. This is all about this, how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video.